welcome back to another amazing recipe. For today's video, I will be showing you guys how to make a very easy recipe for shrimp fried rice, but this time I am going to spice it up. I am adding salmon into the fried rice, so if you want to see how it's done, stay tuned, and I'm sure you're going to love this recipe because it is amazing. Do not forget to subscribe if you are new here for the first time. I would love for you to hit the subscribe button and be part of the gang because I know you will love it here. Also, do not forget to give the video a thumbs up for me if you enjoy it. Without further ado, let's make it. So to begin, I am showing you guys my rice. I literally made this rice 8 hours before I start making this fried rice, just to prove that you can make fried rice with 8 hours old rice. So I cooked this 8 hours before. So let's begin. I have some nice salmon here that I am going to sprinkle some salt on them. I should have added the oil first, but I didn't. So now I'm adding the oil before I start seasoning. Alright, for the seasoning that I am using, it's just basically Creole seasoning with garlic powder as well as some, what else? Ground black pepper. Just very light, okay? Don't add too much because the salmon's going to be delicious once it gets in the rice. Okay, just add it very lightly, then we'll start cooking the salmon. Just cook your salmon as you normally cook a salmon or seared salmon. So yeah, so this is my shrimp. They're pre-cooked, they already cooked. I bought them as is, so I am going to season them as well with the same seasoning that I use for my salmon. So we're going to add the Creole seasoning, garlic powder, pepper. Okay, we're going to mix that together, then set it aside. Like I said, it's pre-cooked. It's already cooked. All right, in this skillet here, it's a non-stick skillet. I am going to add about 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Once that is nice and melted, I am going to add my salmon. Now this is on medium-high heat, okay? Just place your salmon skin down. Once one side is nice and golden, I cook that side for about 3 minutes, then flip it over just like that. You see how it's nice and golden brown? Yes, that's what we want. And then we're going to flip it over, cook that side for another 4 minutes, okay? This salmon by itself, it's so good, you guys, so delicious. Just press it down with your spatula or whatever you have in your hand, then remove your salmon. You see how come on now, you see how golden brown that is? Medium high heat. That's what it's gonna do to your salmon. Now this is it. Just set it aside. We're going to move on to cooking our fried rice. Well, before we do, I have to kind of shred the salmon. Now this is very optional. I am using one of the salmon, just shred it very light, not too small. Now you want to actually taste the salmon in your mouth, so just very lightly. Now in this bowl here, I added 1 egg. Next, I'll be removing the white part as always off the egg because I do not like that. And then we're going to give it a quick mix until it's well mixed together. Then we're going to start cooking. All right, in a different skillet, I added some peanut oil here. You guys might not be able to see it, I'm not sure, but this is how I check when my oil is hot when I'm making egg. So yep, it's hot. So we're going to pour our egg in there, okay? I am cooking it on medium low. So last time the egg was a little overcooked, okay? But this time we're going to get some perfect egg. All right, All right, put your smile on your face and move on. Okay, this is it right here. We're going to lightly scramble the egg. We don't want to overcook it, okay? You just want to cook it very lightly. And one mistake that I made last time is leave the egg in the pot. This time I am going to remove it. Okay, now I am removing it, putting it aside, just like that. All right, moving on, I am going to add my veggies in there. I added a little bit more oil on there as well. Add your veggies. I am going to cook my veggies until they're nice and tender. I'll be adding some minced garlic, okay? The garlic is half a clove of garlic, so it's not too much because I already add lots of garlic on the shrimp and the salmon. So add that in there. Once your garlic starts to turn golden brown, we're going to move on to the next step. Woo-hoo. I love fried rice, you guys. This is one of my favorite Chinese food. I don't know if it's Chinese, but I love it. Now it's time to add my shrimp, okay? Like I said, the shrimp are pre-cooked. Sorry, it's kind of annoying because I keep repeating it because I know a lot of people are going to ask that question. I am going to let it get hot. The shrimp is already cooked. Just let it get hot for a little bit. Then I'll add my rice. Now my rice is nice and individually sitting. They're not sticking together. It's not mushy. It's very nicely cooked. You can follow the direction on your rice package so you can make a perfect rice. Also, I have a recipe for how to make rice, which I will leave down below. I have plenty. You see how they just not sticking together. That's perfect rice for fried rice. Also, the rice is super cold, just came out the fridge, so it's nice and cold. This is just how you want it to be. Just add that in there. All right, now it's time for me to add my shredded salmon. Like I said, you can, this is very optional, the shredded part, but yeah, we're going to mix it together just like that. And no salt added, guys. We're going to add soy sauce next. So no salt added. If you know, soy sauce is very salty, so try not to add any salt or way at the end. Now we're going to add the soy sauce. Then I am going to add my egg in there. Mix it together. Now how you know it's enough soy sauce, just add it little by little, gradually. Once all your rice is covered with the soy sauce, it's good. It's done. You don't have to add any more because I didn't really measure it, so I'm letting you know this is the perfect rule of thumb for me. So we're going to mix it together like that, guys, and basically you have yourself the perfect homemade salmon and shrimp fried rice. Perfect, you guys. This is one of my favorite of all time fried rice, and the only place that I usually get it from is when I go to the mall, which is very weird. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. It's nice and ready to go. Of course, I have to plate it for you guys and show you guys. Oh my goodness, look at that. This is amazing. Very nice color. It's just screaming yummy, delicious. Oh, basically this is it. I am going to plate it for you guys. A little nice presentation going on. I am going to place the other salmon on top and put some green onions for garnish, and this is it, you guys. Wow, this is yummy right there. This is delicious. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this one. If you did, let me know down below. If you're going to make this, do not forget to let me know if you like it because it's pretty good. This is a must try for me. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video. Also, go subscribe to my vlog channel because I do have a family channel now. So please click the link down below. Go subscribe, support your girl. And of course, I have to taste it. Oh my goodness. This is the perfect dinner, the perfect lunch. Amazing. I'll see you guys soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.